Honor Buckle. Gift of Honor. A special gift for a true hero. Custom handmade in the USA. Proceeds benefit disabled veterans.
Dear Mr. and Mrs. McClung, Honor Buckle is the highest gift of honor that a civilian can give to someone who has served our country or community, either in the military, law enforcement, or firefighting. This Honor Buckle has been given to you in memory and honor of your daughter Megan. Anyone who has served in the United States military has two things in common with all others who have served our great country. We all raised our right hand and took an oath to defend the Constitution of the United States of America and for all it stood for, even if it meant to defend it with our lives. And second, we were all given a dog tag, the one thing that clearly identifies each person who has served. Every dog tag represents a life story. The Honor Buckle was given on behalf of Marine Corps League Detachment 1043, Skagit Valley. They fully understand the words love, sacrifice, and freedom. Please wear it or display it in a way so others may see it and also come to understand the meaning of these words. Megan represented all that is great in our country. The pride and devotion of our flag and what it represents will never be forgotten by men and women such as your daughter. Our founding fathers would appreciate all that she and so many others have given to ensure that everyone understands that freedom is not free. Your sacrifice is recognized, respected, and honored by those who understand this. No greater love exists than to give your life for your fellow man. Those who honor God, He also honors. My deepest sympathy for a fallen hero. Many of us have been there, but so few have paid the ultimate sacrifice of giving all. We will always remember that Megan stood for love, sacrifice, and freedom. May God bless you. Respectfully, Semper Fidelis. Please take your seats. This is the first Honor Buckle that has been given by a detachment to one of our fallen heroes. I would hope that the pride and the honor of the Marine Corps will catch hold in each detachment to take care of our fallen heroes across the country. Thank you very much.